Hey everybody, this is your favorite couponer, Savvy Sam, and we're here today at Dollar General. We're here today for a 5 off of 25, but a lot of you I know are interested in the day 2 clearance sale. But actually, I'm not here for the clearance. I'm here for the 5 off 25 and to stock up on some laundry items and some dishwashing liquid. So let's go. Okay, so our favorite the first deal is going to be our Snuggle dryer sheets, and they are priced, guys, at $3.75. We have a $1.25 off coupon, making that $2.50. Oh my God, what a great deal on these dryer sheets, and I love the smell of Snuggle. Don't get the 70, get the 80. Get your money's worth. Next, we have the Game Flings, and they are priced at $4.50, and we have a dollar coupon in our digital app. Now, you can get the Flings, the fabric softener, or the scent boosters. So I'm choosing to get the Flings. And when we pay that dollar, take that dollar off, it'll cost $3.50. Awesome. Next, we have the Febreze, and I'm getting the Gain scent, and it is priced at $3.25, but we have a $2.30 coupon, and that'll drop that all the way down to 95 cents. My favorite deal of the day, buy two, get one free. Look at these huge Ajax. They are 52 ounces. They are priced at $4.25. Pay for two, which is $8.50, and you get that third one free. Next, we have the Gain dishwashing liquid priced at $2.70. We have a dollar coupon for when we buy two. We'll get a dollar off, leaving us to pay $4.40. I told you I'm here to do some great stock ups today. And so very quickly, this is what our cart is looking like. Yes, we are here for some great deals. Now, when we add all of these items up, guys, our total is $28.90. But wait, we have to take those coupons off, as well as, of course, that 5 off of 25. And look at our receipt. Here is everything. There were no hookups and no glitches. We paid $15 before tax. Yes, and we saved what? We paid $14.85, before tax. And look at how much we saved. We saved, dun, 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 come on, $14.80. What a great deal. A great deal. Small haul, but great what? Great savings. Thank you guys for listening to my video. I thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. But until the next time, guys, bye.